Namaste. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to talk to you about Brahma Muhurta and what is Brahma Muhurta, what is the significance of waking up at that time, and what benefits it can get to your life. So let's begin. So what is Brahma Muhurta? Brahma, the word Brahma itself means creator. So the reason it's called Brahma Muhurta is when you wake up at that time, you can actually create your own destiny. So what's the Brahma Muhurta? When is it? So the Brahma Muhurta starts 1.5 hours, to be precise 1 hour 36 minutes before the sunrise. So depending on the city you live in, you need to check what time is the sunrise and then calculate 1 hour 36 minutes before that. Now each Muhurta lasts for 48 minutes. So say for instance your sunrise is at 6 o'clock, 1.5 hours before that is 4:30. So from 4:30 onwards till 5:15 is the Brahma Muhurta. Now what should you do during this period, and why is so important? So there have been many studies conducted over the years, and it has been found that during this time your melatonin level actually increases. So people who are on a spiritual path, it is the best time to actually enhance the melatonin, which helps activate your Agna chakra, which is the third eye, and it has other health benefits as well. It releases melatonin, that's the first one. The second is you get a head start to your day. You can plan ahead, and you're better off starting early than people waking up at 6 o'clock. So you get like 1.5 hours more than other people, which gives you enough time to plan your day and also sort out other things. Third thing is you have plenty of oxygen during that time. So that period just before sunrise is considered to have the maximum level of oxygen in the air. So if you do meditative practices or any yoga during that time, it's more beneficial. However, just waking up also enhances your oxygen levels during that time. The fourth thing is, it is also said that the frequency levels are very low. Like not many people are awake, not many birds, animals are awake. So the frequencies which go towards the universe are less. So people who want to manifest anything, it's the best time to actually wake up and do certain meditations. Or if you want to manifest something, that's the best time to manifest, because the frequency levels are low. So there's more chances that if you have a higher frequency, the frequency reaches the universe very easily. So those are the four benefits. Obviously not everyone can wake up at that time because people work night shifts and day shifts, but if you can wake up during that time, it is more beneficial. However, if you're initiated into more powerful processes, you can still enhance your frequency and reach higher dimensions, but that's something you can also enhance. So people who have not been initiated, or they're just starting their journey in spiritual, I think so the Brahma Muhurta is the best time to wake up, because it gives you a head start, and also it calms your mind. The noise levels are low, oxygen levels are high, you've got extra melatonin which helps you in your inward journey. Considering all these factors, you need to ensure that you make the most of the Brahma Muhurta. Now obviously, as I said before, the Brahma Muhurta for every city is different, so you need to check your you can just Google it, what time is the sunrise in your city. It will tell you, and just calculate 1 hour 36 minutes before that. So, and the Brahma Muhurta lasts for 45 minutes. Now there's few questions regarding when we wake up, should we take a shower? Yes, having a shower during Brahma Muhurta is also considered really good. So usually when in Indian culture, they used to do Abhyanga Snan, which is you actually take a shower and cleanse yourself. It also activates certain areas and certain chakras in your body, just having running water over your head. Usually people used to go to the river to take a shower, but a shower can also do. For students who want to actually study, this is the best time, because the research has shown that people who actually wake up and try and learn new things, that portion which they learn during that period stays with them for longer, and it's easier to memorize that So I hope this video has helped you in some or the other way, and it's provided some knowledge. If you do have any questions, do reach out to me. Leave your questions in the comment box and I'll answer them as soon as I can. But until next video, namaste.